So, speaking about justice for mohbad, there has also been justice in other parts of different cases in Nigeria as the court finally sentenced the ASP who shot a pregnant Lagos-based lawyer on a Christmas day. The court has finally sentenced him to death by hanging. Now, the Lagos High Court sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square on Lagos Island on Monday, being today, sentenced the suspended Assistant Superintendent of Police, Danbury Vandi, who killed a Lagos-based lawyer, Mrs. Omabolanle Rahim, to death by hanging. The Justice Ibironke Harrison, sentenced the ASP after finding him guilty of the murder of the pregnant lawyer. Harrison held the prosecution was able to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt, and the judge also held that the convict shot the deceased at a very close range. This incident of this ASP Vandi, who killed a pregnant lawyer in Lagos on a Christmas day, happened on the 25th of December and was reported on the 26th after she was coming back from church that Sunday morning. Now, the policeman attached to the Lagos Police Command has reportedly shot Bolanle Rahim, a female lawyer, on the 26th of December 2022. Now, the incident was said to have happened on Sunday morning in the Ajah area of the state, and also reports understand that the shooting occurred when the deceased and her family were returning from Christmas service. Some police officers attached to the Agui police station in Ajah were said to have ordered the car conveying them to stop. One of the officers allegedly shot at the car, and the bullet was said to have hit the lawyer. The police officer were said to have fled the scene immediately after the shooting. The deceased was reportedly rushed to a hospital where she was confirmed dead. Now, confirming the incident, Benjamin, the Lagos Police Command spokesman, said the Assistant Superintendent of Police, ASP, who shot at the deceased and two other officers are currently in custody. He said, "Fortunate and avoidable incident that was. The ASP that shot and two others with him have since been taken into custody. They are to be moved to the SCID for further investigation." The killing of the lawyer has since sparked outrage from Nigerians on Twitter and other social media users, with many calling on the police to take actions against officers of the Agui police station. On December 6, the police inspector attached to the police station allegedly shot dead Gamfari Bajore, a resident of Happy Land Estate in Ajah. The incident resulted in protests which halted the flow of traffic in the area. So guys, this is not the first time this police has been, or he killed somebody, but it was just so unfortunate for him that his cup had already full when he killed the lawyer. And a lot of witnesses, like according to court, there were 10 witnesses who testified against the suspended ASP Brandy Vandi. And ever since then, the police have been adjourning each case, or they have been bringing off proof in order for them to show or to prove that he is guilty of the crime. As of the 30th of December 2022, the Vandi, who shot the lawyer on Christmas Day in the Ajah area, following their arraignment before a Yaba magistrate court on Friday, December 30th, Vandi was remanded in the Ikoyi Correctional Center, Lagos State, till January 30th, 2023. The spokesman of the Lagos State Police Command, Benjamin, disclosed this in a tweet on a Friday. Brandy Vandi was this morning arraigned in court and has been remanded at the Ikoyi Correctional Center till January 30th, 2023 to give room for DPP advice, he tweeted. Now, according to the charge, the ASP Brandy on the 25th December 2022 at Ajah Road along Lekki Expressway unlawfully killed one Omabolanle Rahim by shooting the deceased in the chest, contrary to Section 223 of the Criminal Law of the Lagos State. The trial of this lawyer, Omabolanle Rahim, the trial of the ASP Vandi, began on the 16th of January 2023. The Lagos State High Court will on Monday, January 16 begin a trial of ASP Brandy Vandi, who allegedly killed a Lagos-based lawyer, Mrs. Omabolanle Rahim, on a Christmas day. Now, Vandi, who was attached to the Iagui police station in Ajah, Lagos State, allegedly shot Rahim dead while she was returning from an outing with her family. Now, according to the statement signed by the Lagos State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Mr. Moyosori Onigbanjo's son, the trial would be before Justice I.O. Harrison at the Tafawa Balewa Square, which the ruling was done today. The trial of the ASP Vandi, who allegedly killed Rahim on 25th December along Ajah Expressway, will commence before Justice R.A. Harrison at the Lagos High Court sitting at Tafawa Balewa. So guys, it has now come to the clear notice to everyone that this police or this suspended ASP has finally been sentenced to death by hanging over the unlawful killing of this lawyer. In the argument, the defense counsel, Adetokunbo Odotunle, told the court to note, among other things, that none of the eyewitnesses saw the defendant shot and that this ballistic report of the gun allegedly fired expressly stated that the bullet could not be linked with any of the firearms recovered from the police officers at the scene. Odutola, who argued that the pathologists who testified mentioned that the bullet penetrated from the left through the armpit, while the prosecution stated that the deceased was shot in the chest. However, the prosecution led by the Attorney General of Lagos State, Moyosoro Onigbanjo, the son, had countered the argument and urged the defendant to defend himself, insisting that the prosecution has successfully made its case against him. So guys, thank God they are now finally up, because this was a sensational news or topic last year, the ending of last year, when the police had shot this pregnant Lagos-based lawyer. And a lot of people were now agitating and fighting for justice for this lawyer, because a lot of people were sick and tired of the illegal or the behaviors of the police at that point. Although he gave the police a heads up on not to act illicit, or not because of the fact that they have access to carrying a gun, so they should now enforce with their will on other people. For crying out loud, they are there to protect people. They are there to safeguard the lives and property of people, not for them to kill or harm people that they are supposed to be protecting. But finally, the court today, being the 9th of October, has finally remanded or finally ruled out its judgment to the suspended ASP, as they judged him or they sentenced him to death by hanging over the death of the lawyer. And Nigerians have been jubilating following the fact that at least justice was served on this particular case. The killers have been served, and also moving on, mohbad's case is still on the roll, and as the police officers are now finding way in order for them to resolve the mystery death behind mohbad's killing. So guys, I believe in you guys here. Come down to the comment section, tell me what you think concerning this particular post. I believe in you guys here. Thank you and have a nice day.